वेलकम बैक। हम हमारे टाइगर्स की खुशहाली की तरफ ध्यान दे या ना दे, पर हॉलीवुड के कुछ स्टार्स शेर को बचाने के लिए पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं। जहां भारत में लैंड स्कैम्स, 2G टेलीकॉम स्कैम्स को ओवरटेक कर रहे हैं थैंक्स टू आवर शेमलेस पॉलिटिशियंस, वहीं लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो इंडिया में शेर अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं। सो हियर इज अ पब्लिक सर्विस मैसेज फ्रॉम द हॉलीवुड हार्टथ्रॉब लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो।
Hi, I'm Leonardo DiCaprio. Yes, it's me. Now don't you give me that he looks so different in real life shit, you chutias. Pardon my French, but this is how I look in real life without makeup. So shut the f*** up and listen to what I have to say. Okay? Okay. आपने मुझे कई बड़ी फिल्मों में देखा, like Titanic and what's the other one? The one which even I didn't understand. Yeah, Inception में देखा और बहुत appreciate किया. Thank you for that. लेकिन मैं यहाँ अपनी फिल्मों के बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शंस के बारे में ब्रैग करने नहीं आया हूँ। Hell no! आज मैं आपसे मेरे नए फाउंडेशन जिसका नाम है Kill the Poacher Foundation के बारे में बताने आया हूँ। FYI, according to one research, the rate at which Indian tigers are getting extinct in India, obviously Indian tigers in India, okay anyways, is faster than the time Herman Bareja and Jackie Bagnani films stay in theaters. So that's pretty serious shit, man. Whoever these guys are, they seem to be two really scary motherfuckers. Okay. आप मुझसे पूछोंगे कि what the heck is Kill the Poacher Foundation? Well, for so many years, India में कितने ही Save the Tiger जैसे funds आए और गए, लेकिन they could never save the tiger. In fact, they could never save anything. Face it, guys. Your country is f***ed up big time. Whatever. Listen, I care about the tigers. I care about the environment. I love tigers. Every day I dream about that day when I'll use tigers to plow my wheat fields. So मैंने Mr. जयराम रमेश के साथ मीटिंग की और dwindling tiger populations के बारे में पूरे 20 minutes heavy discussions and brainstorming किया. Thanks to this magnificent vision of Mr. Jairam Ramesh, we came up with the brilliant idea of giving tigers arms and ammunitions for self-defense. आपको तो पता ही है कि हमारे बेचारे tigers कितने निहत्थे हैं. They don't have any defense against the weapons that the poachers use. So to go green, you have to go red first. Blood red. So people, it's about time we gave the tigers arms and ammunitions so that they can defend themselves and kick some poacher butt. The happy news is that Naxals have agreed to train the tigers in guerrilla warfare for free. All they want are latest weapons and satellite navigation systems for the tigers. No, I'm not talking about the Tamil tigers. They're already extinct. The Royal Bengal tigers. Sorry, Saurav is also extinct. I mean the real weapons for real Indian tigers to fight against poachers. So मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप प्लीज कैश, चेक्स, ज्वेलरी, AK-47, grenades या any weapon of mass destruction हमें immediately भेजिए by speed post at Kill the Poacher Foundation, PO Box 9211, 9211, Chandrapur, India, and help restore the balance of nature. Because as I said earlier, to go green, you have to go red first. Blood red. Thank you for listening.
Fantastic! Big round of applause. Yeah, that's it. तो ये था लियोनार्डो का दिल दहला देने वाला, रादर दिल पिघला देने वाला मैसेज. मैं और नहीं सह सकता. जाओ तुम अपने घर. रादर आप अपने घर में बैठे हो, मैं चलाऊं अपने घर. जय हिंद.
You wasn't just the night. Looks like your future is so too bright. Take off the tinted blinds if you wanna find what's on my mind. Oh yeah, you are on my mind. You